Understanding Modest Beauty, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, modest beauty. This phrase is not just about physical appearance, but also encompasses a deeper, more subtle charm. Let's dive in and understand its nuances and usage. Modest beauty is a compound phrase that combines two words, modest and beauty. Modest generally refers to something that is not excessive or extreme. It can imply humility or simplicity. On the other hand, beauty is a term that describes something or someone that is aesthetically pleasing or attractive. When combined, modest beauty refers to a type of attractiveness that is not flashy or showy, but rather understated and subtle. It's a beauty that doesn't scream for attention but instead quietly draws appreciation. Understanding the context where modest beauty is used can be crucial for language learners. This phrase is often used to describe people, places, or things that are attractive in a simple, unassuming way. For example, 1. Describing a person. Her modest beauty was evident in her simple dress and gentle smile. 2. Describing nature. The modest beauty of the countryside is calming and serene. 3. In literature or art, writers and artists often use this term to convey a sense of elegance and grace that is not overpowering. The phrase, modest beauty, carries certain connotations. In many cultures, it is seen positively, suggesting a form of beauty that is grounded, realistic, and attainable. It often stands in contrast to more extravagant or superficial forms of beauty. However, interpretations can vary based on cultural backgrounds and personal perspectives. I hope this exploration of the phrase, modest beauty, has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, beauty in English is not just a matter of appearance, it's often interwoven with values and cultural perceptions. Until our next lesson, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of the English language.